What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I've been working very hard on this new song. It's kind of an old song that I've been finishing, I guess you could say. I've been posting a lot of shorts, and you can check those out if you want. But today I'm going to mess around with some FM synthesis because I haven't done that in a while. So let's hop into Sytrus here and have some fun. So I'm going to make it default. It's been a while since I've used Sytrus. So it gives you just a sine wave default setting. Let's get the volume automation going. Something like this. Oh, whoops, I just realized I'm in the mod. Wrong one. Something like this. Let's modulate it with something. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make this sort of weird. Let's get a lower frequency here to modulate it. All right. Let's modulate it again. Actually, what do I want to do? Yeah, let's just put it off a little bit. All right. Put this in the filter. Yeah, bandpass. I wonder if I... I don't know. Cutoff. Let's introduce a different kind of wave. put that in the filter as well. Interesting. Change. Sure. Interesting. Okay. Put some effects on it just for fun. I'm going to leave it at that for now. Anyway, so I'll just leave it like that for now. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions for video ideas you'd like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.